Okay, we got this little smoke detector here, and you're supposed to, they sent this to us so we could show it to you, and it's from Heiman, and you're supposed to install like between 4 and 12 inches from the ceiling there. So there you go. We're probably about 5 inches or so from the ceiling. So we just got that installed there. There's a little frame, a little round frame that this just twists onto and stuff. In fact, I think I could probably twist it off there and show you. Yeah, it's got 2 little screws there, and then you just put this on there and just kind of twist it on there. See if I can show you there. And then little test button right there, which I just tested. It was super duper 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 loud. And there you go. So thanks for sending that to us. That'll be super handy. We're in the laundry room here, and we wanted one here in the laundry room for just in case. So thanks for sending that. It's going to be super handy, and it was super easy to install. And it had a little covering over where the battery connection. It came with a little 123 battery in it, which is just a little short one like that, a little bit fatter around than like a AA or whatever, and shorter than a AA. But anyway, came with that, and then just a little thing that kept it from connecting until you pulled the little tab out of there. And so that's how it came, and got that installed, pulled the little connector, little plastic piece out of there so it would connect, and now we're cooking. So thanks for sending that. Awesome.